Good morning. So this is day 2. Quick status update. Car's been washed. The paint, if you look at the hood, the paint is a bit faded, but should be able to polish that. Vacuumed a bit the interior, looks better. Right now I'm working on the fan, on the blower fan. I was trying to fix the hatch. Now it closes better. That's progress here. And if you look here, so I changed the relay for the blower yesterday. So let me just show you the location for the relays. Under this cover here. There you go. And you can see most of the relays here are the original relays from the 80s, and that brand new plastic one is the blower relay. So that fixes it partially, in the sense that now the fan works, but only on the high position, which means that the resistor pack is bad too. And I'm removing now. To get to the resistor pack, you need to move the blower, so you have a screw that needs to be removed under here, and then 2 screws on this side. One of them is inside here, inside the blower itself. It's really hard to see. The other one on the corner over there, and I'm going to be able to put my hand here to get the resistor pack is here, so I'm going to get it out and show it to you after. Let's look at that resistor pack. You can see, get it from inside the duct, trying to not drop it inside. There you go. Okay, so yep, so that wire here that's broken, that's why nothing's working. Alright, let's see if we can fix that. The overall idea here, if you look at the wire, so that coil here is the one that's broken. I'm gonna try to put it back together, but first of all I need to unstick those two here. I don't know if you can tell, but they're stuck together. I'm gonna try to not break it, so I'm gonna warm it up with a soldering iron. Try to not break it and assume that the resistance will stay close to factory. Alright, the fix now. You can see this is pretty shitty, but put a new coil. Seems to be holding fine. And if we check now, we're on low. Almost off. So that works.